Hello folks, this is Steve AB4LC, utility work ahead. I need to get some gas, so I decided to turn around and go back. But I'm going to give you a close-up view of the fiber optic boring machine and local crew. You see that there? You see them all sticking up? They're putting a lot of colors in. See them right here? Red and blue, red and blue. Now the machine is right here. I'm going to go to Scott's garage, then I'm going to come right out. But that'll allow us to see them up close, unless they're blocking the driveway. Let's see if they're blocking the driveway. So there it is, right there. They're working it right now. They got the water truck right there. They got the reels right there, 3 colors. KVA, whoever KVA is. KVA. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending anything. So I'm pretending to pull into Scott's garage. He'll let me. See the guy standing over there? He's probably a supervisor. He may be at the other end of where it comes out, and he's waiting for the bore to come there. He's got a thing on the ground that will sense it. So I'm just going to turn around. Let's take a look. You see, he's got something on the ground there. He's waiting for that thing to bore all the way, even under Scott's entranceway there, and arrive there. That's what that is. Betcha. And in a moment you'll get a view of the curbing from where the bore is going in to where that guy's standing. And they may bore even further than that, and that may be where they actually got up to. Now you gotta have water to lubricate. Okay, it looks like there's a break in the traffic, so I'll be able to go right away. There it is, there it is, there it is. There he is, enjoying himself. See, it's off to the side. It's probably boring off to the side. Well, I'm going to get some gas. Steve AB4L, being nosy, saying see you in 73.